Hello, my name is Nabila Anastasia Wijaya, and I will present about board game as an active manual media to increase engagement and motivation in English learning. Next is introduction. Board games are fun and interactive learning tools that combine play, strategy, and communication. They help students improve vocabulary, speaking skills, and problem-solving abilities through enjoyable activities. Even in the digital era, traditional board games remain useful because they encourage teamwork, enthusiasm, and participation. By including local cultural elements, board games make learning more meaningful and connected to real life. Next is summary. The first article by Lailia Suwarso and Iswahyuni 2024 studied teachers' perspective on using board games in English learning. The result showed that teachers preferred traditional board games because they increased student motivation and participation. Students understood the lesson better, and the classroom atmosphere became more active and lively. This proves that board games are still relevant and effective for improving English learning outcome. The second article by Bawawa, Purwanti, and Pertiwi 2025 developed a basic English board game based on Papuan culture for elementary students. The study found that the game was valid, useful, and successful in improving learning motivation and achievement. Meanwhile, Faya and Chao in 2015 used board games in review session of English classes. They found that the games help students work together, engage more, and enjoy the lesson. Both studies confirm that board games are fun and effective tool for language learning. Okay, next is analysis of arguments. All three studies agree that board games are effective for English learning. Lailia et al. 2024 showed that games increase teamwork and engagement. Bawa et al. 2025 emphasized the importance of adding cultural values to make learning meaningful. Faya and Chao 2015 proved that board games make review sessions more enjoyable and interactive. Although each study has small samples, all of them show that board games support active and student-centered learning. So next is evaluation. Overall, the use of board games creates a fun and interactive learning environment. They help students stay motivated, confident, and cooperative during lesson. However, the studies also have some limitations such as small participants, numbers, and short study duration. Even so, all finding confirms that board games positively affect students' learning motivation and performance. And the last is personal opinion. In my opinion, board games are an effective and enjoyable way to learn English. They make students more motivated, confident, and active in class. Through games, students can naturally practice vocabulary, speaking, and teamwork skills. Combining board games with local culture makes learning more meaningful and relevant to students' lives. Teachers should continue to use and develop board games for interactive and student-focused English learning. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.